Hey guys, I'm back here with you again with another video how to, and this time I'm gonna make a video about how to upload a video to a YouTube. And guys, I made two previous videos. One is about how to use a YT Studio, YouTube Studio, and how much you can do for your video once it's uploaded to the YouTube on your phone. And there is much more you can do on a computer, of course. Now there was one more video before that. It's how to use a KineMaster and how to edit video on it. And I will make more videos about it because there is much more stuff that you can do on KineMaster. And I just show you the basics, how to make maybe a reaction video and some short video that you want to edit up, that you want to write something on it and stuff like that, guys. But this time I'm going to show you how to upload a video to a YouTube. And first thing you have to do is you have to sign into your channel. Now you have a channel, of course. Now I'm already signed in, so I'm just gonna click here on YouTube app right here. Okay, now I'm already signed into this channel. Now what you do, it's you're gonna click on this little camera up here, as you can see it right up here. This is on a phone, because you already KineMaster, you use it on a phone, you export the video. Now your video is in your phone, so now you want to get it from the phone. So on a phone I'm doing everything pretty much. So you click on this little camera up here, and once it's open, now you have to choose a video. Which video do you want to upload? So I'm just gonna choose one of these. Let's choose this one right here. Okay, the video is open now. See, I have it under unlisted right here, so you can choose you want to public, unlisted, or private. So I have it unlisted now because I'm gonna write down title, description, and all the other things that I'm gonna show you how to do, and it's gonna keep unlisted. And then when I'm done with all these things, then what I will do, I would change it to public. Now guys, once you open it and it's now here, now you're gonna click up here, this blue button up here, and once you do that, the video is uploading. So you just have to wait. It's preparing first, and it tells you actually how much time it takes. So this one is gonna be about 4 minutes. So guys, we're not gonna wait. I'm gonna stop the video. I'm gonna continue after it's uploaded, because I don't want you to sit here with me and wait 4 minutes, and staring at the screen right here. So guys, see you soon. Okay guys, once we uploaded the video on our phone to the YouTube, now it's time to edit the video on the YouTube. So we can do that on a phone, as I show you in the previous video. But on a phone you can't do as much as you can on a computer. So I already show you how to do it on a phone, but let's see what you can do on a computer. So what we do first, we're gonna go and click on the YouTube icon here. Go to the YouTube. Once it's open up, I'm already signed in, but you can you're gonna have to probably sign in. So what you do, you go here in the right corner up here on this icon, you click on it. Then you go to the YouTube Studio Beta, which is right down here. Okay, now I like to use the Creator Studio Classic. It's right down here. So I kind of used to it and I like to use it. So let's do this. We're gonna go to the Creator Studio Classic. Then we're gonna go to the Video Manager right here on the left side. Once we're in a Video Manager, now which video we're gonna work on. So let's use this video right here. I'm gonna click Edit, and once we do that, we are inside the video right now. So now we are on Info and Settings. You have Enhancements, Audio, End Screen, Cards, and Subtitles. So we're gonna Info and Settings first. So we're gonna go here, and here we're gonna add the title of the video. What is it video gonna be about? So how 2. So that's going to be the video how to do this or that, and you add on it what to do next. So description of the video is going to be how to, what are you doing with this video. So let's say how to upload videos. Okay, so this, and then we're gonna go to the tags. Now the tags are very important. Now on a search engine on YouTube, when somebody is searching for something, let's say they are searching to how to, this is gonna help you to so they find your video. You know, otherwise how they're gonna find your video. Now let's say tricks, I don't know, let's say tips, and anything you can think of. Now you can add it to this. Now here, down here, see the video is right now unlisted, so we're gonna keep it unlisted. I'm not gonna list this video, but you can change it to public, and you can publish the video so it's on YouTube so people can find it. Now the playlist, I don't have any playlist, so let's create one playlist. Let's see, how to, there you go, create. So now we have a playlist. So you click how to, see, now add a playlist. So we click on a how to, and now it's in a playlist. Now up here, guys, we're gonna go now. You can go to the translation if you want to translate it in another language, but we're not gonna do this. So we're gonna go to the advanced settings. And advanced settings, now you can change things like category. What category is your video about? Now this one is how to and style. See right here, how to and style, and that's that category. Now video language, now you can select a language. We're gonna go here, we're gonna click English. Do you want to allow viewers to contribute to translating the file, the titles and stuff? So of course, let's say allow this. The date of the recording, you can enter it, or you can just click here today. Now we are done with this. We're going back to the basics. Now up here you have info settings, enhancement, audio, end screen, cards, subtitles. So enhancement, we don't need to enhance it. Audio, we don't need to change anything in the audio. So we're gonna go to the end screen. End screen is like on the end of the video you see another little tiny videos popping up, so you can click on it and watch the next video. So how to do this? Let's do this. Click here. Hold on, we need to save this first. Save changes. Now we're gonna have just a little bit wait. See, it won't let you. There it is. Now we're going to the end screen. Now here we can do a lot. Okay, now add an element. You click here and add an element, and this list comes down here. So video or playlist, subscribe button. So let's say video or playlist. We're gonna add a video. So create. Now you can most recent uploads best for viewers. Choose a video or playlist. Let's choose one. So we have only one other video. So let's say create an element. And now once we put this, we can move it in the corners wherever you want. You can have it in the middle if you wanted to. Doesn't matter. Let's put it down here in this corner. Now we're gonna add another element. So you can add up to 5 elements. So now we're gonna add a subscribe button. Just click create. Here's the subscribe button right now. So you can move that too if you want to here, or wherever you want to move it, you can move it. So let's just keep it here for now. Now we click save. Now cards. These are the cards when you watch a video and the little thing pops up in a corner up there. So we're gonna click on this. Okay, hold on, I'm gonna save it. We need to save it. I keep on forgetting to save it. Okay, element missing. We're gonna just take this one off because it's just gonna bother us. All right. Leave. I'm gonna go to the cards now. Okay, now add a card. Now same thing, video or a playlist. You click on that and you choose a video, create. It's working. How to, and it's a problem with this one too, so we can add this. So that's what you do, and you have a little icon right here pops up when you watch a video, and people click on it and they can see your other videos, and they can click on it and watch another video if they wanted to. Now we can go to the subtitles. Usually they are auto-generated subtitles, so what you do is you have to go click on that, and I usually have to go and fix it because my English is not so good. So when the computer is automatically translating, it doesn't translate everything as it should. So guys, this is so easy, this is so simple. Now we go back to the settings, so we are done pretty much with this. And save changes, all of them, and that's it. Pretty much you are done with your video. So all you have to do, don't forget, if it's still unlisted, so you have to click on that and go click on public. Once you click on public, it's gonna go up here and you just click publish, and that's it. Simple. Once you do publish, your video is published, and you are done. So guys, then you can go back to the video manager. Let's leave. And you're gonna see your video there, and that's pretty much it, guys. So I hope this helps you a lot to add your own videos, and I'll be adding more videos, so explaining other things. If you have any suggestions, please tell me so, and I will do what I can to explain it to you. So thank you guys for watching, and I talk to you soon with another video.